Why do men have nipples? It's confusing because they don't actually serve a purpose, so why are they there? Well, all embryos start off as female in the womb until testosterone kicks in. But testosterone production only begins at 8 weeks and then reaches its peak at 10 to 15 weeks. But before this happens, the nipples are already made, so they're there to stay. That's why.
Weird medical facts.
In ancient Greece and Rome, doctors used to use the webs of spiders as a natural antiseptic and bandages. This helped patients clean and disinfect their wounds and promote clotting. You feel happier by crying. Crying triggers the release of endorphins, which act as natural painkillers, and feel-good hormones such as oxytocin. HIV originated from the stomach of a chimpanzee. The chimp in question had eaten 2 other chimps that had different viruses. These viruses combined and formed a hybrid virus. What's the fastest selling medication of all time? Aspirin? Paracetamol? Penicillin? Viagra. Obviously, it's a household name for treating erectile dysfunction, but it was actually first created for a completely different use. In 1998, Viagra was first trialed to treat chest pain and high blood pressure. However, lots of the trial patients reported a funny and embarrassing side effect, a prolonged and persistent erection. A shrewd marketing team quickly capitalized and began marketing this quirky side effect. And the rest is history. Weird syndromes. Foreign accent syndrome. This rare condition causes people to develop a foreign accent. This disorder is caused by damage to a part of the brain associated with speech, Broca's area. That's Broca's area. A stroke affecting this area is the commonest cause, but trauma, tumors, and other neurological conditions like multiple sclerosis can also cause people to suddenly develop a new accent. Usually the accent isn't very good. Symptoms can last years or even be permanent. Sometimes speech therapy may help these patients. Why does your pee smell after eating asparagus? Asparagus contains asparagusic acid, which is a sulfur-containing compound. Once you eat and digest asparagus, your body breaks down asparagusic acid into several sulfur-containing byproducts which are highly volatile. This means they vaporize and turn into gas quickly. And when you pee, these compounds evaporate immediately, allowing them to travel from the urine to your nose, and you can smell them. One of the main culprits of asparagus pee is methyl mercaptan, also associated with fecal odor and bad breath. People can notice the rotten smelling urine just 15 minutes after eating asparagus, and it can last up to 14 hours.
Weird medical facts.
Eating too many onions can cause sleepiness. The onion is a natural sedative because it's rich in L-tryptophan, which promotes sleep. Your eyelids have the thinnest skin on any part of the body, and your feet have the thickest. The fastest man in the world, Usain Bolt, he's not physically perfect. He actually suffers from scoliosis, which is a curvature of the spine.